This is Sammy and you're watching your own YouTube channel official SAMSUDDI, and yes guys, this is official Samsung. And for the inline skates you need to have a wear all the precautions that I have the wear safety helmet, as you can see the Costco brand, okay, the safety helmet and the wrist pad, then elbow pad, and then knee pads, okay. So then after you are ready for the inline skates. So guys, today I'm gonna give you a basic step to how to ride on inline skates for the beginners, how the beginners they can start how to ride on ice skates. So you need to have, for the safety purpose, you need to have all the precaution like a safety helmet, the skates helmet, and second the wrist pads, then elbow pads. You can see I have here elbow pad, then you have knee pads, okay. All of his pairs you can need to wear for the safety purpose, and then you are ready for the skates. So guys, first you need to have a support for your fan or any other object, so you can stand up. You can stand up slowly. Then you need to walk, okay. You need to walk like this. You need to walk slowly. You need to walk. Don't be slide, okay. Don't be hurry and don't be slide your skate. Just a walk, okay. Just need to walk like this. Just walk. And when you are properly walking, so it's automatically can start to slide, okay. It's automatically can slide. I will show you. Like this, you need to walk. It's more better if you walk on grass, the grass, so it's more better. If you fall, I did not want to get fall, but if you have unbalance and if you fall, so you can fall on the grass, so you can't injured. So you should start with walk, and then it can be slide automatically. Like this, it can automatically slide when you are walking, and it slide. And I told you how you can stop the skates, okay. When you start to ride and you have to stop, so use the brakes, okay. Use the brakes in your right feet skates. Here give the brakes in the back side. How it's work, I tell you how it's work. You just pull up your toe, the right toe, pull up, and it can touch the ground. The brake can touch the ground, and it will be stopped like that, okay. You have to stop. Just pull up your right toe and it will be stopped. I will show you how it's work. Like this. You need to pull up your leg so the brake can be touch the ground and it will be stopped. Like this. Like this, guys, so it will be stopped.
Here we go.
Yes guys, this is official subsidy, and today I give you a basic step how you can ride on inline skate. So if you enjoy the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's the official subsidy. So please guys, I need your support. Give a comment and share with your friends guys. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so when I upload my next video, so you the one first get the notification. And guys, please keep follow me on my Instagram so you can connect with my personal life. I need your support guys, so please follow me and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, thank you so much for watching.